Woo! How are you doing, Math Made Easy fans? Today, we have a video for you guys. That's obvious. But what's also obvious is that it's Math Monday. Everybody loves Math Monday, like, so much. So let's get going. We got a really nice got the hiccup. Got a really nice problem of the week here for you Math Made Easy fans. So let's read it and get started. So, the ratio of girls to boys in Mrs. Frank's 7th grade class is 3/4, excluding Mrs. Frank's. On Monday, 4 girls and 6 boys got to go on a special field trip for honor roll students since no other students were absent. The ratio of girls remaining in the class to boys was 4 to 5. How many students are in Mrs. Frank's class and everyone is present? Okay, so here, you could do this very exactly with the ratios and stuff. But I know that because you can't have, like, a fraction of a person going, we can just do this pretty quick, and it's actually going to be quicker by just doing a little bit of guess and check. And, of course, for your math classes, you'll want to do it the proper way. But this is, well, remember, we're simulating a math counts, like, sprint round. So, I almost forget to take an individual sticky note. So, and I didn't open the pen. 10 out of 10 points today for Math Made Easy. So, we have, on a normal day, a 3 to 4 ratio. This day, we have on the trip is a 2 to 3 ratio. And then not on the trip is a 4 to 5. I can see this is more closer to the 4/5 and the 2/3. So I'm going to say, okay, we know we must, 4 and 5, we must have some multiple of 9, right? What multiple of 9 plus 10 is going to equal 28? Is going to equal a multiple of 7. It's going to be 28, right? 18 plus 10. I kind of gave that away too soon, but I hope you guys could figure out where I'm coming from there. So, in fact, it's going to be 28. We can check that. That would mean 12 girls and 16 guys. Today, there was 8 girls and 10 guys. That makes sense. Let's move on to the next person. On the field trip, Abby, Bethany, and Christy, and Darcy, I don't really do the ABCD thing. That's just so unnatural. Bought a total of 4 hot dogs and 3 sodas, which cost them $17. Edward bought 2 hot dogs and a soda for the same luncheon, and it cost him $7.80. How much would 1 hot dog and 1 soda cost? Okay, so what is the key thing to realize here? Is that 2 hot dogs and 1 soda, if we just multiply this by 2, that'll give us 4 hot dogs and 3 sodas. So we're kind of doing like a system, believe it or not, here. And actually, the system of equations is just going to give us, if we multiply this by 2, you can think of this as a system. Multiply this 780 by 2, that's going to give us 1560. 17 minus 1560 is 140. The soda must be 140. If we plug a soda into this, so say 140, that would give us 640 before tax. Then just divide that by 2 because we have 2 hot dogs. And that would give us 320. So 320 plus 140 is going to be 460. Okay, Math Made Easy fans. We got 28, we got 460. Let's do the last question. So on the same day, 32 students from the 6th graders, got to go on a field trip to the zoo. When they returned to the school, they had to answer a couple survey questions. One of the questions says, which animal did you like best, the elephants or the lions? When the surveys had been turned in, 20 students had selected elephants and 22 had selected lions. If all the students selected at least one of the two, how many selected both? You gotta love 6th graders. They can't choose one or the other. I don't know what to say to this. But we have 62 people, a total of 42 answers. So how much overlap is there? 10, right? So that means that 10 students selected both lions and elephants. You can do that over again, and it makes sense. 10 selected just the elephants, 10 selected both, and 12 selected just the lions. That is 32. So our answers are 28, $4.60, and what did I just say? 10. And this is all of Math Monday for this week. This was a quick Math Monday, guys. 6 minutes. These are usually more in the 10-minute range, but that's okay. These must have been a little bit more sprint roundy questions. That's cool, but for now, Math Made Easy. Peace out. I'll see you on Wednesday.